Look at the car, you know who did it, I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Taylor 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh
content. What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hoppos. Another video for you guys. It is Monday. It is already officially crazy. Just printed out all the PayPal orders. Show you guys right here. We still got credit card orders to go. Those are all PayPal orders. And then we still got to print out all the credit card orders. Then we still got to print out all the will call orders for wholesale through the email. It is officially Monday. We could tell. You can always tell when it's Monday because it is crazy. So we're gonna get on it. Vic is already pulling 4 kits, might be actually 5 kits for this morning for a 9 a.m. pickup. Obviously we're in here a little bit earlier, so we're gonna get our day going. Thank God for my mama. My mama stopped on by this morning, brought me some Starbucks and black iced coffee, and I need it, definitely need it. I'm out of Red Bulls, so black iced coffee is gonna get me going and get us through this day. Plus, I'm expecting a delivery today of something new, something I'm excited for, something I've been waiting for, and hopefully it shows up. If it shows up, we'll do a little unboxing video for you guys, and we'll take you on throughout the day. You guys asking if Vic really does work.
Just push carts.
He just push carts around. I just hold a camera. We don't know how to weld, we don't know how to do anything on cars.
Push cars.
You used to work at Walmart, huh? Got a whole bunch of kids going out right now. This is all will call wholesale pickup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 so far. How many more you got?
Haven't even fucking started.
You can't say bad words on YouTube. We got a lot more to go. We got a lot more. Haven't even started the shipping yet. So here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh, guys, we got delivery. We got delivery. But I'm super excited for it. This was actually scheduled to show up today, but yesterday I got an email saying that was going to show up yesterday. And then when I started tracking it, it actually showed that it was on the truck for delivery. Then for somehow it went back to the facility again, and then it showed up today, which either way it still showed up when it was actually supposed to. I was hoping to get lucky yesterday and get a quick early delivery on it, but it is here. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this. Let's open it up, guys. Woo, Rhino Hitch Inc. Guys, this is probably one of the nicest hitches. I gotta show it to you. Let's. Oh, I don't got my knife. Can we rip it open? There we go. Dang, they got nice custom packaging for it. Woo! Look at this bad boy. Oh God, this thing's heavy. That thing is sick. And I fell in love with this thing when I saw it for the first time in person in Utah at Flogfest. If you guys remember a while back, we actually did a film going to Flogfest. Well, I actually met these guys in person, and man, we had a blast together. We went out, we partied together, we had fun, we had a great show out there, we had great advertising for both of us, and I fell in love with the freaking machining on this. You know, because we machine everything here in-house, having the machines, you look at stuff differently. You look at like how they actually bevel this edge here, but come in and bring this back out because of the material, but for it to slide in easier on the actual receiver on your truck. And it is US made. It actually came with some other goodies here. This is just a little protector for this. You can take that off, leave it on, however you want to do it. But this is actually one of the parts I was actually really excited for right here. This convertible, fully nice little package on it. This is cool because I get to keep it in the truck. I have the little storage compartments in the truck, so this is nice. But oh, now I put it on, I can't get off. But these have these little pins right here. See these little, see that pin right there? So that pushes in and out, in and out. And they give you this nice little quick release here. You can pull this guy out, and you could actually use this try to do this with one hand here. So obviously it's a little harder doing this with one hand, but you push this guy out here, you pull the pin. It's nice because there's little O-rings on here. And instead of having to muscle this around, taking this off every single time with a big old crescent wrench that I normally carry in my truck, you could just slap this here, push that in, boom, you got a 2-inch ball. Want to do the same thing? You push this out, pull this pin out here, swap it over to 2 5/16. That is so convenient. I don't know how many times I've had to search around for a big old crescent wrench to try to get the big old 1-inch 14 the threads off, or the big old nut off of here. So this makes it super convenient, and I like it how it comes with the case, because then I can just toss that case in my truck. If I had, worried about someone taking the ball, I could just pop this out, take this out here, put this in the truck, don't have to worry about it. But man, let me say, this machining on here is absolutely gorgeous. Guys, if you guys are watching this over at Rhino Hitch, thank you guys. There you guys go, Rhino Hitch. I got it for a 2.5 receiver. This one right here is rated at 14,000 pounds. And that's gonna be more, that's more than I will be using it for. But obviously they're using grade 8 nuts, nylock nuts, anti-vibration. It's a pretty nice fitment on the washers in there as well. And then again, that pin that's right here. I'll show you guys once I get this in the truck how this actually works and functions. I'm actually really curious on this. Oh, it's pretty freaking heavy. There you go. 24.4 pounds. This thing is beautiful though. God, this thing is beautiful. I mean, the machining, the finish, the beautiful edging right here. I mean, the way they're coming in and chamfering the edge with the machine, even the chamfer on the inside here. I mean, this is all stuff that I pay attention to, and we all pay attention to here, just because of this is what we do pretty much every day. So to see someone else's machining and how nice it is, hats off to you guys. Rhino Hitch, thank you guys. Thank you. Let's go get this bad boy on the truck now. Beautiful fit in there. Jeez, that thing slid right in. Now I gotta use this little crappy lock here, but normally I use my bolt locks. But when I sold my last truck, I gave that new owner all my accessories. So get this one in here. Alright, there we go. Nice and locked. So right now I'm going to keep my knee under here because I'm filming with one hand. But I'll show you how easy this is. I can do it with one hand. You pull this pin. Boom. You are higher than stock height. Boom. 10-inch drop. I mean, it's nice if you have different trailers. The movement, the articulation on this is actually really smooth. I mean, really freaking nice. So we'll set this guy, I don't know, somewhere right here. Slap that in. Stay stationary. Now, this thing is, I can't freaking say it enough. This thing is freaking beautiful. To get your height adjusted here that you need to your trailer, you just slide your pin back in, and then obviously I just got it on the 2-inch ball right now. I'll be changing this over to a 2 5/16, which I'll be using the most of. Not too often I use a 2-inch, but hey, it's nice to have it because I have run into those cases where I need it. So again, this thing is freaking absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at it. So now I got that thing in, we're gonna keep it there at that height. I'm gonna go grab the balls and go put it in the truck. That way I don't lose them or forget about them, because then we'll be back to square one. But as long as those things stay in the truck, it makes it real nice and convenient. But I was just waiting for this thing. I was so excited for it when I ordered it. So if you guys are in the market for a new hitch for your rig, for your truck, for whatever you guys got going on in your life, we all got toys, we got stuff we gotta play with, and while we gotta get it around safely, we gotta get it around in style. Rhino Hitch, that thing by far, the machining and the quality is amazing and outstanding. Again, I keep saying it over and over just because we machine here. So I know what to look for. I know how we nitpick stuff, and trust me, I can't find anything on there. The boxing, the packaging, it showed up on time. I thought I was gonna get lucky and get it a day earlier, but FedEx did some weird stuff, and that has nothing to do with the Rhino Hitch, obviously. But again, thank you guys over at Rhino Hitch for taking care of me on this guy. I can't wait to use it this weekend. We're gonna actually be going out. We'll be going out to Havasu. Boss's orders. I got a job in Havasu. Yeah, just kidding. We'll be going out. Since we moved into this new location, we have not had time off. I got black stuff on my face. We haven't had time off. We have literally just been go, 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 setting up the building, getting everything in place, moving everything, getting the new machines in place. We have literally non-stop since we got here. So finally, we're gonna take a little chill pill. We're gonna relax. We're gonna take a few days off. So for you that are out of state or out of the country that you guys don't celebrate our holidays, we will be closed until hopefully this video goes live tonight, which is the actual day I got the Hitch, which is pretty rare for me to edit and upload and put it all up all in the same day. So hopefully it gets up today, but we'll be back in on Tuesday after Memorial Day. So yeah, thank you guys for always liking, sharing, subscribing. You guys know what to do. Alex here from Hoppos. Head onto the website if you guys need product, if you guys need any tech support. Don't hesitate to email us. www.hopposonline.com is the website. Email is hoppos909@gmail.com. So thank you guys always. I'm out.